Couple passes from last year, end of the year 2021. I didn't share with you last year. White car, 408 stroker, turbo, stick shift, full weight, full interior. Let's get into it. All right, let's make it a for real good pass. YouTube, that's all I got for you today. If you guys enjoy these type of videos, make sure you hit that like and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications on the way out. This is my white turbo car, full weight, full interior. We enjoy driving it on the street just as much as we do the track. So my tires were on fire that day. I did not have any good 60 foots at all, as we got a set of brand new slicks. I think these are pretty much done for now, and we got another new set of slicks to try out this year. So I'm looking forward to that, and I hope you guys are too. But outside of that, she ran a 970 again at 146, and my 60 foot was just as bad as the first pass. But you know, we'll rectify that this year. So got a couple things on the channel that we're going to be adding to this car on our way to Chocolate Fox. Short little video on Wednesday. See you guys soon in the next video. Thank you for watching.